everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing another Amazon product. It is actually pretty cool. I was excited to try this out. It is hair tinsel kit. It's a hair tinsel kit. Like, how cool is that? We're just gonna get right into this because I don't know how to do this and it might be a long video. I don't know. We're gonna see. So it does come with the hair beads and they have a brown or light colored depending on what your hair color is. So I thought that was pretty cool. It came with a little hook thing that you're gonna hook the hair through with the beads. It came with two clips to clip your hair. It came with some little pliers to pinch the beads down once you're done. And then it came with all these hair tinsels. So I got the multi-pack and I will be linking these down in the description box below if you guys are interested in purchasing these. I love the carrying case that it came with as well. Super convenient. Oops. So these are all the colors that it came with. It has purple. It has a multi-colored one, super pretty. Green, I might have to do green. Yellow, super pretty. Pink. That looks like it's black. It looks black. Blue. A lighter shade of pink. Super cute. And this is the other one. I definitely am going to do that one. I love that one. So they have just like a silver. This is like an orange, blue, pink. Oh yeah, I'm doing that in the other one for sure, for sure. Super cute. And red. So I think these are the two that I want to do for now. And then maybe some green. I may do the green later. I'm not sure yet. But for sure, those ones, I'm going to set these other ones down. And let's just get right into this. So there's two different ways that you can apply hair tinsel. I researched it because I didn't quite know. So I'm just going to use this clip to kind of part my hair. And I'm going to make a line. Clip it back right there. So I do want to show you both ways that you can apply it. So you just want to take this out. I'm going to do it from the top so that I can push it back in once I'm done. It can. I don't know if it can come out the top. Oh no, you have to push it out through the bottom. Okay. So let's just go for it. This is super long. Like super, super long. So I don't want to grab all the pieces out. I just want to grab a couple pieces out at a time. So I'm going to grab about like that. Like that. Hold on. So what I'm going to do, so that it doesn't get mixed up, it came with those two clips. So I'm going to grab that part like this and kind of just to make sure that it doesn't go together. I'm going to clip it like that. Then I'm going to grab a piece of hair. Oh, this is how you do it with the beads. Okay. So I'm going to do it with the beads first. So I'm grabbing this piece of hair right here. I should have probably grabbed the bead out first. So I'm going to use the blonde beads. Oh no, the dark beads because my hair is darker on top. So you just want to grab these beads. You want to put it down on that. Okay, so you grab it. I keep pushing back from the bottom. That's what's happening. So you hook it. Then you push up on the bead. And then you pull it through like that. Pull it, push it up. And then you're going to grab this and then you're going to clamp it down. Like that. Undo this. And then I have some hair tinsel. So I'm going to grab my scissors and then I'm going to cut the top of this off like that. And then I'm going to measure it to about what my hair is, like that. So that is how easy it is to apply, and you're just gonna have some sparkle in your hair. So that was the first one, and I already love it. My girls are gonna have me do this to them. They're gonna love this. They are like their mama. So let me go ahead and try the silver one as well. I'm going to try the other method that you can do with this. This is going to be the best way. This is going to how it's going to last the longest. Okay, so you want to grab the tinsel like this. Make a little hoop. So you want to put your fingers through the loop. Come around this side. Grab. Okay, hold on. Fingers through the loop. Come around this side. Grab the hair. Or grab the tinsel. You're going to create like a loop knot. So just like that. But as you can see, you can apply it that way, but look how easy it comes off. Comes off super easy. So if you do it the way that I do it, just grab a little better sized bit of hair. I like clipping this through the loop and then up here, getting your bead ready. Just grabbing the hair like that. Oh. So grab the hair. Then you want to push. It's not wanting to go up. So then you just push this through. Pull it out. Make sure it's all the way up. Grab your tool and squeeze it down. And then you got another tinsel hair. And there's still a lot left. I could probably do my hair a couple of times with the strands, especially if I don't put the loop like I did. That is so pretty. I love it. I absolutely love it. So like I'm saying, like you could get these, and do like your bangs if you wanted to. Do some hair up there if you want to. Okay, so now I got a couple on this side. Now I'm going to go do some on this side so I don't look crazy. How stinking pretty. That is so cool. See, now I got something else that I like to do. So I think I'm just going to dye my hair all dark. I'm not even going to put blonde highlights. I'm going to go all natural again so that I can grow out my hair. And I'm just so tired of it looking so dead and just nasty. I'm excited to do something different. Okay, so I put a couple more pieces in my hair. I absolutely love this. I'm going to be doing my daughter's next. And when I do her hair, I'll actually post a clip of what her hair looks like because it's going to be easier for me to do it to somebody else than myself. It's not bad. Like, it's actually a lot easier than I thought it would be. Now I'm going to know how to do the beaded hair extensions. That's kind of exciting. if I wanted to add some blonde highlights without actually dyeing my hair blonde, because like I said, I will be going dark just to make it easier on everyone, because I don't want to spend $200 to get my hair dyed, so I'm just going to do it myself with some semi-permanent hair dye, so it should be great. But yes, this is so nice. It's super comfortable. It's not pulling my hair whatsoever. I absolutely love this. I think it looks so cute, and I will be putting some more throughout my hair. My hair is actually dirty, so I need to wash it. Got some dry shampoo in there today. I've been trying not to wash my hair every day either, but I think it's cute. It gives like just like a little shine in your hair and just makes it look cute. I do really, really like this. I think it's gorgeous. But yeah, that completes this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell down in the corner below. That way you'll be notified every time that I do upload a video. But until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye. God bless.